and welcome to day 8 of the 90-day video challenge live from New York, which is why I'm still all bundled up even though I am from Newport Beach, California. My name is Laura Weissman and I am a licensed marriage and family therapist and founder of Psyched About Love. For the past few days we have been talking about how to create intentional dialogue, the 3 steps to doing exactly that. Step 1, I hear you. Step 2, I see you. And step 3, I feel you. And then once the sender is done with those 3 steps, still in this very safe format, then perhaps the partner might want to take the opportunity to say, and I'd like to respond, and they would do exactly the same thing. Sending just the essence of what their experience is. The one thing they don't want to do is, imagine you are building a jigsaw puzzle. And one person goes first and puts all their pieces down, and then it's your turn. Well, you don't come along and throw all their pieces off the table and say, well, that's not what it's supposed to look like. You come along and you add your pieces to the jigsaw puzzle, pieces that perhaps your partner was not aware of, so that by the time your partner has put pieces down and you have put your pieces down that add to the understanding and the expansion of the picture, you both get a much clearer picture as to what's really going on. So that's what the dialogue process is about. First, one person sends, the other person reflects, and then the other person sends and their partner reflects. But I had a question. What happens if I don't know what to say to my partner? And the answer is this. Good luck. Because the truth is that it is actually one of the hardest things. Sometimes when you're triggered, you're angry, you're upset, you want to solve it right now, and you're like, I'd like to have a dialogue. But you're not in the headspace, literally, to have that dialogue. Your frontal lobes, that part that makes you a thinking and a reasoning human being, are not engaged. Your reptilian brain is engaged, that part that puts you in a survival dance. The only thing that the lizard and the reptile and the alligator know how to do when faced with perceived threat, that means whether it's real or not, is fight, flight, or freeze. So you don't want to have a dialogue when you're in your reptilian brain. You want to be able to think about what's really going on. And in order to do that, you have to learn how to regulate yourself. And sometimes one of the easiest ways is to put yourself in timeout, go hide in the bathroom if you need to, and just begin by breathing. And try and figure out why what happened is upsetting to you. And to put words to those feelings. Because once you can put words to those feelings that are hanging out in your emotional or your limbic brain, it crosses over your brain to your language center, where you can process it and express it. And that's the part of your brain that you want to share with your partner, not your alligator, because that's scary for both of you. Stay tuned, and I will tell you more about that in day 9. Bye, which will again be live from New York. Bye.